to my channel. I am Charlesy and you're going to join me in the kitchen. We're going to put together an avocado and crab salad that will wow your friends and family. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. 2 avocados that have already are diced. They need to be nice and ripe, but not too soft. All right. You're going to need some crab. I like to use crab claw meat because it's a little bit sweeter. You're going to need some remoulade sauce. I've already put some in the bowl. I don't know if that's going to be enough or not. That's about 1/4 cup. We're going to need a little bit of lemon, and I'll show you right now what we're going to do. We're just going to put a little splash on the avocado. Not much, 1/2 teaspoon. I've also pulled out the Paul Prudhomme's Vegetable Magic. I like to season up the vegetables, and that's what the avocado represents. So we're just going to mix that around. Okay, now let me just put the crab in this bowl and see if we have enough remoulade. And if we don't, I've got some more. All right, everybody, let's build this crab and avocado salad. So first thing you'll need, a round cookie ring. You can use the ring for a mason jar if you don't have a cookie cutter like this. We're going to take some avocado, and you can be generous. Pack it in, and I kind of like to use my fingers, mash it in place. And put some more. And remember, we just seasoned it with a little bit of Vegetable Magic from Paul Prudhomme and also a splash of lemon. You can do salt too if you want. Now we're going to slide that ring up. I'm going to switch these bowls out and get the crab. So you're going to fill the ring up with your crab claw meat, which has been mixed with about 1/4 cup of remoulade. You want it moist. And you know me, I always just taste it. If it tastes right, then I just roll with it. Okay, this one's looking beautiful. So there you go. That's your finished crab and avocado salad. You need to serve it pretty quickly or pop it in your fridge so it stays cool. So thanks everyone for joining me, and take a minute and subscribe to the channel.